What's up, Minties? I'm back at it again to share one of my awesome sewing projects with you. So I had a client reach out to me and they were interested in having an outfit made from Burberry for their soon baby-to-be. What was even more cool about this was that mommy-to-be had no idea that daddy ordered this outfit. And so I went ahead and I got the shirt and I made something really cool. So make sure you check this video out all the way to the end so you can see what I made. And here's the final product. Do you love it or what? So it's a baby girl and she has a cute little robe and a beautiful dress for her 1-year cake smash. Thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.